Everybody out there, James here. I'm in Westerville and I'm at the Hoover Dam. You see that? This is, they had, I think it was here, or it probably was up the road, that they had people who, couple teenagers who drowned out here. You know, some people go fishing, and you have to be very careful out here. Hold on. Let me see. So you see how the water is kind of high. I mean, it's literally up to the level and it's really high out here. It's a windy day. I mean, it's been like windy for the last 3 or 4 days out here. But that's where most people walk it up there. They walk up on that and it takes you to the other side of the park. This is where you can go and dock your boat at. Dock your paddle boat. I don't know if you can see it or not. Down on the pier, I guess this is where you can fish at and things like that. But I'm going to take you up closer. Take you up closer to show you how close the water is. Hopefully my stand. This is the water. Let's look how close the water is up. How high is the river? High tides and stuff. But yeah, it's so hard. The fish can probably see you. I mean, that's how high it is up here. But just wanted to show you when it goes all the way up into another county up there, Delaware County, and continues all the way up to over there. Just want to come out this Saturday morning, going into Saturday afternoon. But yeah, you see how high the water is, man. Wow. It ain't like a son of a gun out here. Usually he is high, but not this high. But yeah, even on this side, you can see that. Yeah, people. You see a lot of people fishing down here, fishing over here. I don't know how the fishing license or anything like that. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Got the boat. If you're ever in the area, that road out there is Sunbury Road. That Sunbury, that comes up, it goes all the way down through Columbus, all the way up to Delaware County, past Delaware County. Genoa Township is up this way. Westerville, Genoa, Sunbury, going all the way up. So, but if you ever in the Columbus, Ohio regional area. This is what you want to bring your family or come with a couple buddies and go fishing, or family go fishing. Be careful where you fish at. You know, just fish where the designated area, because again, some kids lost their life out here. And I think it was either this one or the other one up the way, and they were at the rocks, and they fell into the rocks. But it's a nice area to go fishing, no doubt. Yeah, you can see the water is really risen up at a certain level. I mean, look, I want to show you how it is. I'm surprised there ain't no geese out this way. But yeah, you can tell they've been here. I can say they're poopings. They stopped by through here. But yeah, that's how high the water is. And goes all the way up. But yeah, this is it. And then they got picnic areas. I believe by this summer it's gonna be pretty packed out here. It's a nice area, really nice. They got some nice areas to go exercising. I'll see tons of people down here. Man, last couple of years, and it's been like, wow. They flock to. This is one of the places they flock to, and they walk up on that bridge, like over that pedestrian bridge over the dam, and there's like a whole bunch of steps. I probably seen in one of my previous videos, but over there, over that area, you know, boating over there, picnic tables, and I think there's a few cabins over there. But yeah, this is it's a good place to chill out at with a family or something like that. Yeah, not so bad. Gotta watch where I step at people. I don't know if it's dog crap or it's goose crap, you know. Some people pick up after they dog. It's like they got certain things closed down. Certain parts of it closed down, probably because of the high water out there. Well, this is one of the areas. But there's a little playground over there for the kids. We got little kids. They got porta potties along the way. They got trails and things like that. Alright then. Just want to show you, I'm going to bring on my next segment. See if I can sit up here, we won't blow down. But you know what? I'll come back in a few minutes.